Good morning, students. I hope you all are staying home and taking precautions from COVID 19. Students, today we are going to start a new lesson from computer, and the name of the lesson is All About a Computer. Students, in this lesson, we will learn about input output concept, computer, the main parts and additional parts of a computer. We will also learn about the difference between we and a computer. So, let's start, students. Input and output concept. While working with a machine in our daily life, we feed an input in a machine to get the necessary output. Every machine needs an input by a user and it gives the user the output. A correct input gives the right output. For example, the CD of a movie which we insert in a CD player is an input. And the movie which we see on the television is the output. You can see the example, students. See here, CD of a movie which we are inserting is a input and the movie which we see on the television is called output. Clear? Input in a computer. The input fed to a computer is the fact and instruction which you give to a computer. Students, I will explain the example in next page. And output. What are output? The output from a computer is the result which the computer gives to you after working in a computer. For example, students, the number 2621213 and the instruction to arrange them in a ascending order which you have entered in a computer is the input. The output will be 1 2 4 6 12 because these numbers are arranged in the ascending order. This will be the output. Same as it is, suppose you want to add two numbers 4 and 6. The 4 and 6 plus 10, three numbers you want, then this will be the input and output will be 20. Same as it is, UV, Sabi, Ishi, Arun. These are the input, and if you want to get the output in alphabetical order, that will be the output like Arun, Ishi, Sabi, UV. Clear, students? Now one exercise is given for you. Can you guess if the problem given to a computer 4 into 5 equal to 20? The input will be 4 and 5 and the output will be 20. Same as it is in second question. If the problem given to a computer is 9 minus 5. So 9 and 5 is input and 4 is the output. Clear? I am going to show you some example. See, students, here dirty cloth, washing machine and clean cloth. So dirty cloth is input. After processing you will get clean cloth. That will be the output. Clear? Suppose your teacher want to explain you multiplication of two-digit number 25 and 38. Here 25 and 38 will be input. After processing, you will get 950 on the screen. That will be the output. Clear, students? Now, defining a computer. In previous class, already you have learned about the computer. What is computer? A computer is an electronic machine. A computer is a multi-purpose machine which works as follows. It accepts the input. It works on the input according to the instruction. The instructions are given in a computer language. It provides the output which is useful to people. Now, students, a computer language is a language which a computer understands, like Logo, QBasic, C, Java, names some computer languages. A computer program is a set of instructions given to the computer in a computer language to solve a problem. Like we are using Hindi language, English language, Sanskrit for making someone understand our problems or our some topics. Same as it is, computer understand only its language like machine language, Logo, QBasic, C, C++, etc. Clear, students? The main parts of computer. Students, our body has different parts like hands, nose, ears, head, legs, stomach. Same as it is, computer have also different parts, but there are 4 or 5 main parts. Today we are going to discuss about these parts. Number 1, students, monitor. It looks like television. Second one is speaker. You all know about this speaker. Speaker is used to listen the music. CPU cabinet, it just work as a brain of computer. This is the mouse and the keyboard. This is the keyboard. Now I am going to discuss about one by one. Students, keyboard. What are keyboards or what is keyboard? The keyboard is used to feed the input to a computer. The keyboard is arranged of many rectangular buttons called keys. Clear? The keyboard has keys marked by for characters A, B, C, numbers 1, 2, 3 and the sign marks exclamation at the rate hashtag dollar percentage etc. Pressing the keys tells the computer what to do or what to write. Clear, students? Now CPU cabinet. The full form of CPU is Central Processing Unit. Clear, students? The CPU is a very small microchip inside the CPU cabinet. The CPU cabinet is often referred to as a CPU. The CPU is often considered as the brain of computer. Clear, students? CPU is often considered as the brain of computer because it solves the problem given to a computer. See, students, one cabinet is there. That is not CPU, that is CPU box, and CPU is a small chip which is fixed inside the CPU box or CPU cabinet. Clear? Now students, I am going to discuss about monitor. Monitor is used to display the output. Suppose you want to see some output on the screen, so you need monitor. There are two types of monitor: LCD monitor, CRT monitor. One more type of monitor is available in the market, that is LED monitor. Earlier or few years before we were using CRT monitor, but now we are using LCD or LED monitor. What is the difference between CRT monitors and LCD flat panel monitors? The CRT stands for cathode ray tube. As you can see, CRT monitors are bigger, bulkier and consumes more power. They are prone to screen flicker. But the term LCD stands for liquid crystal display. The LCD has advantages of lower weight and less power consumption. They have the crisp flicker free display. So the weight of LCD monitor is less compared to a CRT and less power consumption. Clear? Now I am going to discuss about the speaker. Speakers allow you to hear sound from the computer. You can see the students, these are the speakers. Have you seen the speaker? There are usually two speakers attached in a computer and they come in a various size. The more sophisticated computer speakers may have a subwoofer unit to enhance the sound output. Clear, students? Now I am going to discuss about the mouse. The mouse is a pointing device used to instruct a computer by pointing and clicking. There are some buttons on a mouse: left button, right button and scroll wheel. We can say scroll button also. So there are three buttons: left button, right button and scroll wheel. By clicking on the buttons on the mouse, you give the computer direction on what to be done. In whichever direction you move the mouse pointer moves in the same direction. Students, what is mouse pointer? You can see one arrow in second point, that is called mouse pointer. Inside the mouse normally has two buttons with a scroll wheel in between. At the button of the mouse, either there could be ball or a type of light. Earlier in the mouse there were ball, but nowadays there is light. So students, I am going to show you one exercise. You have to tell the answers. MO-I-O-. Can you guess what is this? This is the monitor. Second one is keyboard. Third one is MOUSE, mouse. And fourth one is speakers, SPEAKERS. Clear, students? So this activity you have to done in the book, no need to write in copy. Now students, additional parts of computer. Some additional parts are there. That was the main part. And now I am going to discuss about the additional part. Number one is printer, microphone, headphone, scanner, web camera. What is printer, students? Do you know what is printer? A printer is an output device. A printer prints information and picture. There are various type of printer available like laser printer, inkjet printer, dot matrix printer, etc. Headphone is a device used to listen to music or sound coming from the computer in your ears only. A microphone, also called a mic, is a device that allows you to record sound into the computer. Suppose students, you want to record your voice, you can use the microphone. Now scanner. A scanner copies a picture or text into the computer in a way that the computer understands. This is done by the first changing the picture or the text into the computer readable from the top, then inserting into your computer. Do you know, students, web camera? A web camera is also called webcam. Is a camera which is connected with your PC to capture the image and its view. Students, in laptop it is inbuilt, already it is inbuilt, पहले से ही रहता है, but in desktop computer we use external web camera. It looks like this. Clear, students? In front of the table or on the monitor screen we put the web camera. Now students, I am going to discuss about the difference between we and computer, you and the computer. Students, why computer speed is good, accuracy? So we will discuss about this. Students, first of all, speed. A human is a slow working calculating. I am late. He is saying I am late. You can see. But computer can do thousands of action per second. Accuracy, a human can make mistakes. We can make mistakes, students. When we are writing in copy, we are doing a lot of mistakes. But computer, if you will give the correct instruction, it will give you the correct information or correct output. Like storage, when we are learning the answers within 2 days, 3 days, or after 1 month, we forget that answer. But when you will store anything into the computer, it will never erase. A computer can keep huge amount of data in its memory, but we cannot. Diligence, a human gets tired and bored easily. Sometimes we are feeling tired and bored. When we are not taking the interest, we are feeling tired, but computer never gets tired or bored. Emotions, humans are emotional. Sometimes we are crying, sometimes we are laughing, but computer not. A computer has no emotions. Clear, students? So I hope you all learn. Thank you, students. And some of the students are worrying about the exercises, then from where they will get. Students, don't worry. You have to check the school app which you have installed. You have to update it and continuously, regularly you have to check in the morning or in the evening. You will get all the exercises through SMS or in the study material in that app. Thank you. Have a nice day.